Right, today we want to look at psychogeometry. So psychogeometry, we want to know features of circle first, right? So this is diameter, then this is radius, r, right? Then this is chord. Then this one to this one is diameter. Then this is shaded part is sect. So then this is part is segment. Right. Right. What is chord? Chord divides a circle into two parts. Divide a circle into two parts. Chord. So what is segment? Segment is the region contained by a chord and the circumference of a circle. Segment. Then what is tangent? Tangent and all line here. Tangent. So what is tangent? Tangent is a line that touches a circle at one point only. Tangent. Right. What is diameter? This is diameter line. Diameter is a chord that passes through the center of a circle. Kana chiti diameter a line rinopfuura nepacenter this is diameter. Divide a circle into two parts are equal. Side inofanira equal to handiriga. Then circumference distance right round a shape. So this is the introduction to geometric psychogeometry. Right, now we are going to do theorems of psychogeometry. Theorems of psychogeometry. Right, theorems. Tine matheorems atinawo psychogeometry handiri. Right. Tiri papo. Theorem number one, we have this circle with chord and two lines dzikubva pa same chord, then dzimwe lines dzikubva pa same chord inobata circumference. So this theorem inenge ichiti iyo x na y vari equal. X is good, y is equal. Why? Because the angles in the same segment are equal, provided that these angles are projected from the same point of origin. Saka in shona tiri kuti isusu y x is equal to y vari equal, and mukuona tine chord, this one chord. So two lines ari kubva pa same chord achinobata circumference. Angle iri papa yakafanana ne angle iri kugadzwa futi ne two lines idzi chinobata circumference. Both dzikubva pa same chord. That's why tiri kuti are equal. Because iri triangle iri angle yari kugadzira yakafanana ne triangle iri angle yari kugadzira. Both dzikubva pa same chord. Then number two, tine two circles atinawo handidika. Then tine two circles atinawo. Then this one 2x, then x, then and this one the center over 2x, then na x. Right. This theorem inoti iyo the angle which an arc of a circle subtends at the center is twice that one of the remaining part of the circumference. Angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. Angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. So trukuti isusu for example we have 100 pana. So if you want to find x, so you divide both sides by 2, you get 50. And same applies 100. If you want to find x, this angle, you divide both sides by 2, then you get 50. And so if you want to find this part, so remember we have circle and revolution add up to 360 degrees. So if you want to find these angles, not 360 minus this one, 360 minus 2x and so the theorem. Then theorem number 3, circle this one and this one. So this is center. Chukuti so two lines are over pa same diameter. This is diameter and both rukukata nepa center and so two lines are over pa same diameter here. Achinobata circumference anogadzira 90 degrees and so in English the angle in the same circle is a right angle. And same circle, this is same circle, this is same circle. Dizoka saka mufano zoti two lines are over pa diameter achinobata circumference anogadzira 90 degrees. Izvozvo mufano ngemuchizviziva handitika tichazvi pachichaita question muchaona zvinji applies. Then number 4 tine theorem this one. So this is cyclic quad. Why this is cyclic quad? Because all corners touches is circumference and so sema corner kubata circumference. This is cyclic quad. So cyclic quad, for example, the A na B, then D na C and so cyclic quad inoti opposite angles and add up to 180 and so this is it means A plus B is equal to 180, C plus D is equal to 180. So opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So what is supplementary? Supplementary, these are angles add up to 180, and complementary, these are angles add up to 90 degrees. So supplementary my angles and add up to 180 degrees and so my opposite angles and add up to 180 degrees. That's why that A plus B we get 180. So if you want to find A plus B is equal to 180. So if you want to find A plus B, find A, you make A subject to formula 180 minus B. So you will get this one, right? So this theory number 4. Then theory number 5. We have this shape. Then you know better this one. So angle E you can find the angle this C and then angle D same applies with angle B. This one. So tiri kuti isusu E is equal to D is equal to C, sorry. Then D is equal to B. So angle E is equal to angle C. Angle E is equal to angle C. Then angle B is equal to angle D. Handiriga. Alright. Why tiri kudaro? Right. Angles in opposite segments. Angles in opposite segments are supplementary. This is segment. Handiriga. But sakarunzi are equal. That's why it E is equal to C. Then D is equal to. In Shona, we are trying to say this chord and this tangent. The angle formed by tangent, chord and tangent is equal to the angle that forms by two lines from this chord to circumference. Antitika. So tikuti isusu angle iri kuformiwa ne chord, this chord ne tangent. Angle yo yakafana nechi ne angle iri kuformiwa nechi ne two lines ari kubva pa same chord achinobata circumference. Antitika. Kana tiri kunzwisisa. That's why tikuti B is equal to D. Then E is equal to D. Remember that is also this is diameter and two lines are kunobva pa same diameter chinobata circumference ari kugadzira 90 degrees. Handitika. So which means this line and tangent pazobata zogadzira of 90 degrees. That's why E is equal to C. Handitika. Number 6. We have this. Then panapa to this one. So this is radius ne tangent plus no button zogadzira 90 degrees. And right. So tine this one yekupedzesera theory number 7. Then number 7 iri kuti tine circle this one, then two tangents. And so this chord this kana kuti diameter meno nogona kuenda nepa diameter suzi. So kana tine two tangents ari kunobata circumference and tine two tangents at this same circle handiti inenge chigadzira inonzi isosceles triangle handitika. So isosceles triangle ine two sides akafanana this, then mabase angles akati akafanana. Tikunzwanana. So unofanira kuziya izvozvo two tangents lines anogadzira isosceles triangle. So two tangents drawn from a point to a circle are equal in length. So now we want to do these questions. Psychogeometry question. So number 1, then number 2, I think you go on analysis. Then and number 3. So let us apply how to use theorems on those questions. All right. Chekutanga kana answer my tips of circle. Chekutanga tanga watasa kuti hapana diameter here. So kana pane diameter, sometimes avakudza kuti diameter vanokudza kuti center O, andikuona center O, which means wakudza kuti pane diameter papa. Anditika. Right. So diameter ndechekutanga matips. Tanga watasa matips. Tanga watasa diameter 1. Then watasa issue of chords. Anditika. Then watasa issue of cyclic quadrilateral. Then watasa issue of chimwe chifuti. Then watasa issue of tangents. Two lines. So ndo ma tips ari paper. So kana yo chitanga answer psychogeometry anditi. First thing tanga watasa pane diameter here. handitika. So mirai ndishandise blue pen kuti tisavhiringidzike. Right, right, let's start to answer our question. So anzi first usaverenge this one, handiti usaverenge zvawanzotsvaga. Don't read this one, read those above. Our question, handiti. So in the diagram, B, C, D, and E are points on the circumference of a circle center O. And TB is a tangent to the circle at B, CBD 67, EBT 40. So right now we are going to EC, since panzichi center O, which means EC ichi is diameter. EC is equal to diameter. So two lines are over the same diameter, or two lines are over the same diameter, and achino bata circumference arugadzachi 90 degrees. Remember, and arugadzachi 90 degrees. Then remember unongochitenderedza question yako. So remember theorem number G. I don't think theorem number 5. Theorem number 5 chati. So this is tangent. Chord angle irugadzirwa ne this chord ne tangent. Yakafana angle irugadzirwa ne two lines ari kubva pa same chord iroro achinobata. So which means pana 40. Pana 40. So right, since pana 90 degrees pana andika kuno kune 40, ndizo todakutsvaga this angle. So takuti susu 90 minus 40 kana kuti mumwe anogona kuti 180 minus 90 plus 40 we get 50. Andika saka 90 minus 40 ndi 50. Unazoitika. Then panapa tane theorem number 1. Theorem number 1 tikuti this is chord, and this is chord. Angle irugadzirwa ne two lines ari kubva pa same chord iroro iri. Angle yo iri equal to angle irugadzirwa ne foot two lines ari kubata ari kubva pa same chord achinobata circumference. Saka which means panapa ndi 50, because ari kuformwa from one chord. Right, todakutsvaga this angle. Since panapa tina this is triangle, and triangle DC then B. So panapa 67, panapa 50. This. So triangle add up to 180. So how to find the angle C? How to find angle C? Angle C, if you want to find angle C, you know 50 plus 67 and minus 180. So 180 minus 50 plus 67, you get it. Let me calculate this. 180 minus open bracket 50 plus 67 close brackets, we get 63. So pana patuwana 63. Got it is 63 pana. Yes, okay. 63 angle, yes. Right. Now todakutsvaga isusu totsvaga angle ipi pai. Totsvaga this one. Angle this one anditika. So regatimboona ayo ngatimbotange tatsvaga this one kuti tiwane totanga tatsvaga this one. Ndizvo. So panapa kuti tiwane this one ngatitange tatsvaga this one. So this is triangle, and triangle this one, triangle redu iri kudai so 67 na 40. Toda kutsvaga this one, saka takuti isusu 180 minus 40 plus 67 open bracket 40 plus 67 close bracket, and we get 73. So pana 73 ndizo. Saka don't leave the brackets pana, please. If you calculate, don't leave the brackets. Right, since panapa tani this angle, saka angle this one yakafana angle this one 73. Then how to find this one? So since panapa ni straight line panapa takuti 180 minus 73, 180 minus 73 tinowana isusu 107, so 107 panapa. Right, now takutsvaga this angle takuti 50 plus 107 minus 180, triangle this one add up to so panapa katiti is 180 minus open bracket 107 plus 50 close bracket 123. And right, now tinotsvaga this angle tinowana set tinoti isusu 50 plus 107 minus 180 still tinowana chi westaenda icalculate tinoona 23. But wezukaisa iwe code rako pana 2 malines aubva pa same code inobata security ne 2 malines aubva pa same code inobata angles yakafana. So now tauda kutsvaga this one takuti isusu 180 straight line ke, saka 180 minus 180 minus open bracket 67 plus 23 plus 40 and close bracket tinowana 50. So mumwe igona kuti iye this theorem tikuti isusu angle iri kufomwa nechi this chord, and this chord ne tangent yakafana ne angle iri kuzofomwa ne 2 macodes achinobata ndo imwe way yangu aifanira kushandisa. So now takuenda kunoisa chima answers edu tafila pese, I think hapasina nditi. So EBD ndiani EBD this angle ndiani 23. Then BCE tinowana 40, BCE tinowana chi 40, and then BEC tinowana 50, then BDC tinowana 50 zvika BDC tinowana 50. So ndo maanswer atinoita second geometry. Then question number 2. Question number 2. Okay. Question number 2. In the diagram ABCD cyclic quadrilateral, and TC and TBE are tangents to the circle, and BC is parallel to GG, blah 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 blah, and so now atina center, and atina center, saka nyeri panapa ndekuti remember tine cyclic quad this one yataurwa kai satati sus opposite angles an add up to 180 iyi 50 8 iri opposite ne this one anditika sanga tiiti isusu 180 minus 58 tiona 122 degrees anditika. So we want to find this angle and remember tawirirana kuti two matangents aya and kana ibata circumference anogadzira chi isosceles triangle. Sure, remember mona kuti how to apply my theorems edu. Saka angle ishi iri equal to angle this one. So first ngatange tatsvaga iyi irapa because panapa tine ma values kuno kwatina sapana takuti isusu 75 plus 58 minus 180 sata kuti 180 minus open bracket 75 plus 58 close brackets tunawana 47 47 and so which means pana 47. So how to get this one angle, the angle this one wombe do you wanna see takuti so 47 minus 47 plus 47 plus 47 minus 180 tunawana because triangle, this triangle add up to 180 so tunawana 86. Right. Right, tiri papa titakuwana this angle and how to find this angle. Saka angle tinenge takuti 86 minus 31 86 minus 31 tinoona 55 ndizo tinoona 5500. So what next now? Okay pane right tautsvaga this one since panapa tina 47 na 31 andiri saka takuti isusu 47 plus 31 because no add up to 180 this triangle this one and saka takuti 180 minus 40 my open bracket 47 plus 31 close bracket no 102. So panapa anonzi ma vertical opposite angles saka angle inenge rapo inenge yafanira po 102. So kana wada kutsvaga this one wakuti 180 this straight line ikada kutsvaga this one i 180 kasata da kutsvaga this one saka takuti isusu 180 minus 102 tinowana isusu 78 sapanapa 78 ndizo. So ngatimbotesta tione kuti inotiburitsira 55 78 plus right tada kutsvaga this angle and since panapa tana 58 na 78 toti 180 minus 58 58 plus 78 tikati isusu 180 minus open bracket 58 plus 78 close brackets tinoona 44 anditika right. What next happen kuso kutafila ka right this type of questions anditika unogona produce ma lines ako anditika tine theorem inenge ine ma parallel lines so yekuti angle inenge yakafana iyi angle ishi inenge yakafana ndo yatida kufoma pana anditika so which means since pana 120 sapana pane chia tida try kuti tiwane this one anditika saka takuti isusu since pane 180 straight line apa 180 minus 122 handiti 122 we get 58 ndizo. So tana 58 sapana pane 58 degrees and mukona zoitika sapana pane 122 ndizo. So ndozokuitika tinoproduce maline kana pane maparallel lines ndipo unoproduce malines akwa chete. So now how to find the papasara pam. So tada kuwana this angle ese kuti kwanise kuwana this one anditi. So takuti isusu 44 plus 85 44 plus 58 so 44 plus 58 44 plus 58 tunaona 102 hizo. So panapa takuti isusu this angle tunewana see that this is opposite angle cyclic quadratic this one. So my opposite angle and add up to 180. So takuti isusu 180 minus 102 tunaona 278 nditi. So the essence of failures. So and it needs some answers etu hence ABC again 1220 ketimboona 122. So wado prove kuti wagona chimboti 122 plus 78 plus 58 plus 102 unofana kuwana 360 degrees because cyclic quadratic no add up 360 degrees. So CDT it's 47. CDT this angle it's 47. Then TAD TAD 44 this angle 44. Then ATC ATC it's 55 and then BAT 58 this angle. So ndo maanswer atinchita chiseko geometry. I think mukubata zvikuitika anditika. So those are answers in this one. Then question 3 irikuti in the diagram A, B, C and D are points on the circumference of a circle center O. AT and CT are tangents to the circle and BAT is called 30 degrees, AOC 100 degrees 100. So and OAB, ADB, ATC is also varying. Sorry. Can we answer circle geometry? Don't read this one. First of all, filling these angles first. Then after that you pick up answers. Work answer these questions. So let us apply theorems to answer this circle geometry. So center O tatiso some tips to tangani diameter. Center O apana diameter. Tukunzananaka. Right, remember theorem 2. Theorem 2 here tatiso so. Did you remember? 2x angle at the circumference it twice angle at the angle at the center iri twice angle at the circumference, and so which means this is 100. You divide both sides by 2 to get this one, 50. This one. So now this is isosceles, and so now takuti isusu tange ine this one unotenderedza bepa rako. Angle iri kugadzirwa nethis chord netangent yakafanana neangle iri kugadzirwa ne2 malines ari kubva pachord racho iroro. Saka panapa pane chiya, pane 30 andire pane 30 panapa. So panapa takuti isusu toda kutsvaga this one angle this one andire uri panapa pana 90. Ngatitange ne90 panapa tobara 90 this toda kutsvaga this angle ubva apa chete. So 90 minus 30 we get 60. Andozva tunoona 60, but toda kufila pana first. And so how to fill this one? Tutanga tati isusu katitsvage this angle first, this angle first. Ngatitsvage this angle first. Tunowana isusu taka 30 plus 60 minus 180 tinobva tawana this angle ishi. So panapa ngatiti isusu 30 60 plus 30 plus 30 is answer 90. Saka panapa ne 90 kapa uzwa 90 degrees. Yes, pane 90. In 90 ke sakwana ke. Saka isusu toda kuti isusu tutsvaga sei apa. Right, panapa since panapa tati 50 then panapa tati 30 anditi. So which means ngatiti 50 minus 30 towana 20 panapa. So which means since panapa ari ma tangents aya tati isusu ma angles edu anenge akafanana. So which means panapa ne 90 kunoku ne 90 anditi ndizvo kapa. Saka you can unogona kuisako code rako pana and wakuziva kuti panapa na 30 kunoku kuna 60 ndizvo. So how to get this one? Saka kana uda kuwana this one unenge wakuti wewe 180 minus 50 you get this one. Ndizvo ka tobva tawana 180 minus 50 unowana 130 tunzana ndo zvaunenge wakuita izvozvo. So OAB is 60, then ADB it's 30, ATC it's 130, BDC is 20. So thank you so much. Kune vachanitsvaga 077 97 950 12 071 749 3993. Thank you so much.